Hey friends, Anke here with a mixed media layout inspiration featuring the October hip kits. I'm going to make a fall themed layout using the Nuvo Mica Mist, which is included in the October color kit. I also use modeling paste and the beautiful stencil, which is included in the September color kit, and one of the October cut files. I mix the mica mist with modeling paste and apply it on my cardstock. I secure the stencil with washi tape so it stays in place and lies completely flat. That makes it easier to apply the paste. I use the mixed media paper to back a big title, which I cut from orange cardstock. It's one of the October cut files, which you can download from the Hippie Club website when you are a subscriber. One of the assignments for today is to use border punches. My favorite punch fell from my desk recently and doesn't work properly anymore, but I haven't got a new one yet, so that looks a bit funny, but it works. I used the B-side of the Hippie Club exclusive sweater weather Village Fair paper for the background, and back the part where I used the punch with the manufacturer strip of the Harvest Wishes paper, and finally I add some machine stitching. Pick out some of the exclusive ephemera which are included in the October main kit, and some of the exclusive leaf and floral die cuts which you can find in the October embellishment kit. I arranged some leaves in 2 clusters behind my photo and underneath the title, and place other die cuts on and between the letters of my title. Then I cut some leaves from white cardstock using the exclusive metal dies and add them to the leaf clusters. I tin everything and continue embellishing the layout with some of the wood veneer leaves which are included in the October main kit, a chipboard, sticker and more die cuts, and I finish off with some animal dots and 2 more chipboard stickers. The chipboard stickers are included in the October Pocket Life kit, and the animal dots are included in the October main kit. My layout is finished and I hope you like it and enjoyed watching the process. Thanks so much for joining me today.